How to create a wallet in Binance app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how to create a wallet in Binance app. So let's dive in. So first open up the Binance app and wait for it to load. Now you have to click this Binance icon on the top left corner and it's going to pop up with this menu. On this window you have to click this more services option. And once you do so, you'll see this Binance wallet option. Click it. And then it's going to bring you to this page over here, and here you have to click create wallet. You can also import a wallet if you want to. Click create wallet to create a new wallet in Binance. Now you have to click allow and just allow the Face ID to log in. Now after that it's going to bring you to this page and it's going to create your wallet over here. You can see the progress over here. And now you have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your Gmail that you have connected to your Binance app. Just submit the verification code and your wallet will be created. And that's how you create a wallet on Binance. Thanks for watching.